Does it matter in your divorce who files first? I want to start off by saying if the other party files the divorce first, your case is not lost. We would build our case around your goals and we would still fight your case. But that said, there are some tactical advantages to filing the case first. So strategically, filing the case first allows us to set the tone and tempo of the case from the beginning. So let me give you an example. Oftentimes when people come into our office and say, hey, my spouse is filed for divorce and I got served with these papers, we take the papers and I can look at those papers and say, okay, this is a pretty mild petition, right? This is pretty innocuous and it looks like pretty low conflict. I can also look at their petition, depending on what they asked for in their pleadings, and say, okay, this is pretty middle of the road, nothing to be alarmed about. I can also look at it and say, holy smokes, this is a really heavy pleading. They are asking for everything. They are going for the jugular, okay? So just based on the things they asked for in their pleading, I know that they are expecting a very high conflict divorce. We like to use those initial pleadings to set the tone that our client wants. If our client wants a nice low conflict divorce, then we're going to plead asking for a low conflict divorce. If our client has been abused and has been assaulted and we think the other party has been hiding money and has done all kinds of terrible things, then our petition is going to be very heavy. We're going to ask for a lot of relief, and basically we're wanting to stick it to the other spouse as hard as we can in the divorce. So we can build the divorce pleadings in a way that our client wants them built. That doesn't mean the other side won't come back heavier than we expected, but if the other lawyer sees our pleadings and sees that our pleadings are really mild or standard or really heavy, then they will know how to respond to us in a thoughtful way, fingers crossed.